Bonjour à tous. À Paragon, notre passion est de toujours repousser les limites de la survie de l'espèce humaine dans l'espace. Paragon a participé à toutes les missions habitées américaines depuis 1999 et nous continuons cette tradition aujourd'hui. À l'occasion de ce congrès, Paragon et moi-même sommes heureux de vous présenter notre entreprise, nos technologies et nos objectifs pour les prochaines années. Merci et à bientôt.
Paragon's mission and what we provide really to the industry is life support in extreme environments. We keep humans alive, which means keeping them at the right pressure, having the right amount of oxygen, keeping them at the right temperature, and making sure they have the food and water to eat, and also the place to expel the food and the water at the end of the day. Paragon really exists to take humans out to the stars. We tend to be a systems engineering company as much as a life support company because we touch everybody. We not only keep the humans alive, we also keep the avionics at the right temperature, we keep the batteries at the right temperature and everything else. So we tend to partner with any company that builds spacecraft. One thing interesting about our industry is there's a lot of smoke and fire getting to space. And so there's lots of launch companies out there. In fact, I think there's over 110 that are being funded. But really, there's only 2 or 3 life support companies in the whole world. And Paragon's the only one that can do everything. Build spacesuits, outfit your inside of your spacecraft, and do all the human factors associated with keeping humans comfortable.
We've played a part on a lot of the major programs coming out in the last several years. We've been an Orion team member for the last 18 years. So it's nice to see that it's finally going up there and we're real excited. We've got hardware on the Boeing CST-100 Starliner program. We are currently working on the Northrop Grumman HALO program for NASA.
Paragon is a very exciting place to be at and working in. We are aggressively looking at new opportunities and looking at new customers. We've been successful at delivering significant equipment to a number of companies and partners. We're very proud to be able to provide all this space hardware at affordable cost, and we are capable of handling a number of technical difficulties. We're very versatile and we're capable of developing new technologies on a very short time frame.
We've been advancing technologies within in-situ resource utilization. So that's really focusing here on water collection, water purification, purifying out these non-water volatiles that are co-located with water ice on the moon. And we've been doing high-pressure water electrolysis as well, trying to generate hydrogen and oxygen to be used as either propellants or useful consumables for astronauts living on the moon.
The Brine Processor Assembly, or BPA, was a technology launched to the International Space Station in February of 2021. That technology recycles water in space, recycling water from urine up to 98% of the water content. This is critical in achieving long space missions and reducing the amount of water that needs to be resupplied to various space stations. In the future, Paragon will provide this technology to our commercial customers developing new space stations.
One of the projects we have here at Paragon is called our RACERS technology, and that's a Regenerable Atmospheric Carbon Removal System. This is a technology that we developed starting from ground up at the IRAD level. It's identified new adsorbents that can remove CO2 and humidity more effectively than what's currently baselined on certain space vehicles. This technology allows us to provide a low energy, highly reliable system for both CO2 and humidity removal from closed environments. It's also beneficial because it can scale to different platforms. That's one of the main benefits here is we can also make this for a space station, but we can make it for a spacesuit or a space vehicle. So it really is an integrated product and something that we can apply to various platforms of Paragon's offerings.
The X-Rad radiator panels are groundbreaking technologies allowing heat rejection to space. The patented technology is a response to the inefficiencies on the structural and thermal level of traditionally bonded radiators.
We're expanding our operations in the life support area because we've had many years of experience in the portable life support systems. If you remember seeing Buzz Aldrin up on the moon with the big backpack on the back of their spacesuits, that's a portable life support system. That's what keeps them alive when they're out on the moon.
Paragon's an award-winning company because we've been innovating for over 29 years now. And what's most exciting to me is what we're going to do next. We have pioneered new ways to do things in space. You know, we've been flying in space since the 1960s, and a lot of it stayed static. Once it worked, you don't want to change something that works, but the world has to evolve. And so we innovate, and we innovate on a budget. And what's really exciting is our business territory is the galaxy. Anywhere humans will go, you need life support. And so we're a perpetual business. There won't be a time when we send humans to space without a life support system.